you think you're a good driver. Try this quick quiz. This is my orange ute. Not yellow but orange, because my wife keeps telling me when I say yellow, she says that's not yellow, because she's a school teacher and she knows what colour it is. So apparently this is orange, and it is orange. So there, Julie, it's orange. But this orange ute is an XW 1970 model, and it is a nice car. It has a good pedigree, and I'll read up the pedigrees to you. The engine's a Y code, which is a 302 V8. The gearbox is B, and which is a T-bar automatic. And the rear axle is an L, and I have got no idea what that means. Perhaps limited slip or something. I'm not actually sure what L means. If anybody knows what the axle means when it says L, please tell me, because I haven't been able to find it. So original that it's still got the original chassis number. Where is it? I saw it here somewhere. There. Still got the original chassis number there, and well, the VIN number. There's chassis VIN. It's all the same. And here as well, matches. They all match. All the numbers match. So that stays, and there's nothing wrong with it anyway. It's had a little bit of it's a little bit out of shape there, but nothing. A bit of a rub around won't fix. Other than that, I think it has a 16 or 16 and a half turn steering box in it, which is nice. That's a GT one. It has disc brake rear end in it, and I don't know anything about that other than that it's disc brake rear end.
Were they aftermarket?
Yeah, these never came out with a disc brake rear end. But it has had a little bit of a bingle, but we'll put that to one side for a minute. What is nice about it is it's not rusty. And when I mean not rusty, I mean it's not just fogged over. It has virtually no rust in the whole car. There's a couple of little spots. So it's like all cars. When they're really straight, they're really rusty. And when they're really bent, they're really not rusty. And it's always a very frustrating scenario. And the very straight XW Blue Ute, it's got more rust in it than you can poke a stick at. And this XW, virtually no rust. And, but it's very bent.
It's a banana.
Very bent. So anyway, the scenario is that we replace this side. I have a spare roof. I have, which I don't think I'm going to need. I think I'll be able to fix this.
It's pretty.
And, so when it got hit, I can explain the impact. So when it got hit, he spun it out, the guy was hooning. And the reason it's not written off properly is because there's no insurance if you're out there hooning. So he bought his own insurance.
It's clean.
If he even had insurance. But so it was probably a sad day for that fella. And, but she's had a big impact just here. And it literally bent the car. And so she's pushed across about 4 inches to the driver's side, and if you look in here you'll actually see the rear floor. That's the original colour there. That, what is it? It's a gold or a bronze. It's a gold. I never loved that colour, but I'm going to live with it. And so you can see it's pulled apart there, and as that goes, so it's probably spread here around the wheel tub. It's pulled apart. So I'll probably take off this side, the wheel tub, everything. This whole side will go, and then on the other side I think I might take this one off as well, because it's buckled it in here. So the bend actually buckled it here. So either that or I'll do a cut down there, and when I straighten it out we'll see what we can do. And there's virtually no rust in it. If you look down here, no rust. It's like such a sad scenario. The back panels are all straight, no rust. It's like magic.
The tailgate's good too, isn't it?
The tailgate's good, but it's bent. It's got clobbered. But I'll be able to, I think I'll be able to repair that. I've got a couple of rusty ones that aren't rusty in the right places, really. So that'll be good. So
We've got this car came with a rear quarter, didn't it?
yeah, I'll show you that in a minute. Well, we could go into the blue ute while we're standing here, but no, we'll go to the rear quarter. So come with me. So this quarter panel is the entire left-hand side of the vehicle, right up to here, and she's that's just where the roof section was cut out, and it's reasonably straight. Plenty of rust in it, but seen worse. And that's it. Replace this whole thing. Would probably replace the wheel tub and the inner sill. Although the sill on the other car is perfectly all right, so just a question of drilling this off and refitting it. And all this section is all bent in the other car, so it's all perfectly good here. So I kind of have this motivation to get this one up repaired and roadworthy. It's got to find someone who's got a V8 302 sitting in his garage, and I believe Peter Anderson might have one in his garage, but I haven't been able to get in contact with himself. Peter, if you're around, I'm very interested in your 302, or anybody else who's got a 302 with a automatic gearbox. Would be nice to go with it. On the XWGS, I'm just been having a close look at it, just seeing what's here and what's not. I've got the back window. This actually has, which I don't have with the XY ute, has the wiring harness for the tail lights and all that still, which is kind of good, because if I pull it out, I can actually copy it and make a brand spanking new one, which I'm very pleased about. I quite enjoy doing things like that. And the back floor, it's just immaculate. And, just from there, I don't know how I'm going to go with the chassis rails with this. So it'll be lovely to work on. See right through there, torn away. It hasn't got, it's just got zero rust in it. It's quite amazing. Quite amazing. And I've got to get it under cover pretty quickly, because it won't stay that way. And same with inside the cab too. The floors and everything is just so so tidy. The sills, I'll give you a close up, you can have a look. There's just no damage, no rust whatsoever. It's such a shame. Tell you what it needs. I need to get on with I might give this a bit of a clean out and put a cover over it. Look how big and spectacly bent there. That whole pillar's bent. Never noticed that before. No wiring, a few little odds and ends. This steering column comes out of the XY, which is less than perfect. And I put it in there so it was easy to just move around the property. And the quarter vent windows are actually okay. And, this door's okay, except someone's gone and cut out a speaker hole there. And, so I'll probably just fix. I think I've got I don't know where I'm going to go with this. That's the original colour there. I think it's the original door too. So the old ute style mirrors. And everything seems pretty solid in me, I think. Oh yeah. It's got a set of V8 springs in it. I don't know what they are. Guess I get to measure them up. And, it's got the driving light, XW driving light mounts, which is really nice to have. In fact, they're so nice I actually might copy them and make up some sets of my own. Little lathe. One of my pet wants one day. Keep saving up. And actually, my money seems to only ever go in one direction. And, yeah, this door was really nice, and so was the guard actually. Still, you get that. It's bent now. And, it's kind of, see if we can see anything down there. See nothing. Nothing but something that makes me feel. Tell you what, she had a big hit there. She was a big hit. Still, I've got the whole side. I've got the whole side from the A-pillar all the way back to the tail light in one go. Just got to straighten that out.